Hello and welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to solve the question on the screen, and it says there are 30 students in a class, 15 study woodwork and 13 study metalwork. 6 study neither of the two subjects. How many students study woodwork but not metalwork? So to answer this question, we are going to make use of our Venn diagram, okay? So let me quickly draw it. So from the question, total number of students is equal to 30. Then we have the number of students that study woodwork. We have it to be 15. Then the number of students that study metalwork, we have that to be 13. Okay. Then we have students who don't study any of the two subjects. Okay. So neither woodwork nor metalwork. That's equal to 6. So from the question, we can see that we are not given any number. There is no figure for the number of students that study both. Okay. So let me say for students that study both, let's call it X. Okay. And that is where we are going to start from. Whenever you're dealing with a question that has to do with Venn diagram, it's important to start from the innermost part of the circles. Okay. The circles representing the various groups. You start from the innermost part of it. Okay. The intersection of the circles. So from the Venn diagram, we can see that this point represents the students that offer both subjects. Okay, let's call this our metalwork, M for metalwork, and W for woodwork. So students that study both metalwork and woodwork, they are here. So let's call it X. Now 15 students study woodwork. Okay, so this is woodwork here. Okay, 15. But remember, the 15 also extend to this point. Okay, so for us to get the number of students that study just woodwork, that will be 15 minus X. Okay, the same thing for metalwork. For metalwork, we have 13 students who study metalwork. So to get the number of students that study only metalwork, that is 10 minus X. And lastly, students who don't study any of the two, that's 6. You put it here. Okay, so we can solve this to get the value of our X. Because we know that the addition of everything here should give us 30, which is the total number of students. So we have 13 minus X plus X plus 15 minus X plus 6 is equal to 30. Okay, so X plus minus X plus X here is 0. So we have 13 plus 15 plus 6 minus X equals to 30. So this will give us, so we have 34 minus X equals to 30. So we have 34 minus 30 equals to X. So X equals to 4. So this is the value that represents the number of students that take both metalwork and woodwork. But the question says, how many students study woodwork but not metalwork? So the number of students that study only woodwork. Okay. So this is what represents the number of students that study only woodwork. So that is 15 minus X, and X is 4. So that is going to give us 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. And that will give us 11. Okay, so the right answer is 11. So 11 is the right answer here, option B. So thank you very much for your time. If you've learned one thing or the other, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then share your opinion also in the comment section. Thank you and bye-bye for now.